Hi, my name is Melissa Culpepper. I'm 56 years old and I have been postmenopausal for about 13 years. About 3 years ago, I came across the ELT Academy. That's the Eat, Live, Thrive Academy. And I ordered the book off Amazon, and I was curious about it because, like many of the women in this certain age group, we have exhausted just about every diet or exercise program out there to try to lose weight as a either perimenopausal woman or postmenopausal. So my struggle had gotten really severe and I was pretty desperate. So this book intrigued me. And what I loved about it was that their approach, Danna and Robyn's approach, was about elimination and discovery. The elimination of certain foods that could cause inflammation in our bodies that would make us gain weight and or make it very difficult to lose weight. So that was a new concept to me. I'd never heard about foods keeping weight on you and causing inflammation that could make you feel tired and have achy joints. So that really intrigued me about the elimination of this program. It wasn't a diet per se. It was a unique, fresh approach to really helping your body get back to its optimal level and to feel good, because as a woman suffering with postmenopause, you don't sleep, you're irritable, so just struggling with anxiety. So you just really get into a fog and a state that you feel pretty helpless and hopeless. At least I did. So this book was really intriguing, and I dabbled in it without really reading it all the way through carefully. I just sometimes like to skim things and then start trying to implement. So that wasn't working on my own, so I decided, let me become a member. So I became a member, and that community was a game changer. Just having that connectivity and being able to troubleshoot real life, day-to-day problems and questions that I had with the program, that was, like I said, a game changer. That really helped me start getting some weight off. And what I love most about this program is that it's progress over perfection. So Robyn and Danna always stressed progress over perfection. And I was a perfectionist, so I kept failing to do the program perfectly. So with their guidance, because of the live chats and being a member, I was able to have some great breakthroughs. But most importantly, and I think it's been the biggest thing that helped me finally get all of my weight off, it was the spiritual component. So Robyn and Danna always open their live chats with prayer. I'd never had that, and that really was the missing element in my life. And I think for every woman, every woman struggling at this stage in her life with weight issues, because ladies, we know it's about so much more than just food. We have real life issues and struggles that we all are dealing with. So this support community became critical for my success, and I still love it. So I was able to finally lose 27 pounds basically effortlessly. It was not hard work once I got over the hump of thinking I had to be perfect or had to follow each level perfectly. I didn't, but I wouldn't have known that had I not plugged into the program and shown up for the chats. And during one of the phases, the early phases of the program, I was ashamed and I wouldn't show up for a lot of the weekly video chats because I just felt like a failure and that I was judging myself. Nobody was judging me, but I was feeling very self-critical and judgmental and ashamed to face these women. But I finally did one day, and I confessed that. And Danna and Robyn, they were so loving and just talked to me through that stronghold and that block, that spiritual block that I was having. And I had a breakthrough. So praise God for this community of women who follow Jesus Christ and bring Him into our struggles. Because without Him, I can do nothing. But the Lord led me to this group. I know it because I prayed and asked the Lord, please help me, guide me, point me in the direction that I need to go. And He pointed me to the Eat, Live, Thrive Academy, and I am still with them, and I love it, and I recommend it to any woman out there who is just wanting better health and vitality at any stage of her life, but especially as a postmenopausal woman. You won't find a better community or a better program. So, thank you, Dan and Robyn. I love you so much.